Hi everyone, welcome back to tutorial videos again, and I will show you step by step how to import password to Brave browser. When you already save your password in your files or in your download, you can get easily import to your Brave browser. So open your Brave browser first as usual. Okay. And then what you need to do is try to find three horizontal line on your right side. So here you can see, and then scroll down until you see to setting. There's a larger version you can see over setting if you want to save your files or if you want to download or if you want to put bookmarks, whatever you like, you can see in your horizontal tree line. Okay, so let's go to settings section, and then what you need to do is try to find password manager. So in my computer, you can see in the left side, it depends on your device what you use. Okay, so try to find autofill and password session here. Okay, so and then we found it. What we need to do is we want to import password. So we need to choose password manager for sure. You can also manage your payment method and address here, but for me, now I will show you how to import password. So click your password managers, and what you need to do is you go to the password setting. Okay, so there's a lot of option you can see. Offer to save passwords or automatically create a passkey or sign in automatically or not. Here, what you need to do is to import password. So to import password to password manager on this device, you need to have a CSV file from your computer. So if you already download the CSV file on your computer, just select files and try to find your file from here. For me is I don't have any file to import password, so I will just tell you how to do step by step. So what you need to do is try to find your file from your downloads or from your documents or whatever you like, you can choose. And then you need to just click a file. Okay, so just try to click a file and then open and just import easily, and then your successfully save password on your password manager. You just need to keep as a file on your computer first and then try to choose a file from here and just click your file and then it opens, and you just need to do according to the regulation from your screen. So it successfully import your password on password manager. It's quite simple. You don't need to do other extra stuff. Just need to do on password manager. Just click your files and try to import password. That's all. I hope this video gonna help you a lot, guys. Thank you so much. See you, bye.